Meaning of environmentalism.
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 Environmentalism. Environmentalism is a movement dedicated to protecting and preserving the natural environment from human activities such as pollution, deforestation, and climate change. It involves a range of actions and strategies that aim to promote sustainable living and reduce the negative impact of human activities on the planet. The ultimate goal of environmentalism is to ensure the long-term survival of the planet, its ecosystems, and all the species that inhabit it, including humans. This requires collective efforts from individuals, governments, and businesses to address the global environmental challenges we face today.